video, I show you how I utilize my front yard to grow more food and how I make my first garden bed, and also how I used my fence privacy fabric. And this video was taken back in June. It's a little bit late, but I just want to catch you up on everything I did. And right here, what I was showing you is all the leaves that I cut off from this tree branch right here. It was leaning on the between the fence, between the neighbors and my fence, and it was kind of messing it up. And here I show you how I have more leaves that I cut from the branch that we have to clean up. And I'm going to use that as some of my compost. And right where I cleaned up the grass, you can see little PVC pipes, little pipes. I marked where I want my garden bed to be. So I was clearing out all the little grass area, and here you can see the PVC pipes just marked where I wanted to clean it up at. And there's cardboard, and I was going to put the cardboard right over the spot that I cleaned the grass up with. So keep watching. And by the way, I know there was easier ways to do this, but I just didn't. And this is my neighbor right here. I guess he's a little curious at what I'm doing. My #1 fan. Okay, I started making a garden bed using this tool that my brother gave me, but I don't know the name of it. I forgot that quick. Do you know? Okay, I'm talking to my nephew to see if he knows what this is called. But anyway, I'm putting I'm gonna have to put it in the description box of what it is. But I'm using 2 drills, and here's the garden bed right here. I'm gonna be clamping them together, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm not gonna be able to do this on camera, but I'll let you know exactly everything I did. Okay, what I'm doing right here is doing the miter. Okay. And so what I do, I'm twirling this around to loosen it. The pocket hole jig. If you can see, I'm about to do the other side, and I just tighten it up right here. And I drill this side. And then when I take it out, then you see the 2 holes. I should have did this one a little closer, but for now, until I get better at it, that's how it's gonna work. I put the clamps on to make it make the board straight while I drill the holes in. And if you can see, this is where I use those little, I'm gonna figure that out. And that's where I'm gonna drill my holes in. I had to get my brother to come and help me. I didn't tighten them up that good, but I'm learning. The next one I'm gonna be able to do myself. Okay, I finished with the bed, but I made some of the cuts uneven, so I had to put a little bit of slats in there just to make it even. But I think it worked out fine, because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it as a trellis. I'm gonna put another one on this side, and I'm gonna make it as a trellis, so when I grow something, it's gonna grow up. So it's pretty much all done. And there's another little bitty crack, but I'm gonna put wood. I'm gonna screw in there and make it tighter. So I'll see you when the project is done. Okay, what I'm gonna do is screw these little fence posts up on the little fence, and I'm going to do all of them up on the fence.
One fell.
Because I'm going to be doing my garden out here. This is how it looks now. Okay, yeah. Right now, we got the bed in here, and we're putting leaves in, just because we don't have, I thought we didn't have a lot of dirt. We put cardboard in. And I want to mention that under this cardboard, there's a 1/2-inch hardware cloth on there. And this is the privacy fence. I got beige. At one time it was blue, and it was just too much. So I had to return it and get this beige. And I think it looks much better. And right here you can see my little scarecrow. I found the children's mask sitting on the grass, so I just hung it up. And it looks like a little scarecrow to me. But yeah, this right here are free pallets that I got. And you could get a better look at my 4x8 garden bed. And I think it looks really nice. And over in this section, I still have some more pallets that I got for free. And it looks like more of the sun is on that side. So I'm going to put more of my vegetables that need lots of sun there. And over here, I'm going to put vegetables that need more shade. And that's how it looks.